Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 15th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Pennsylvania is making waves in the crypto world with a new bill that could see the state investing up to 10% of its funds in Bitcoin. Introduced by Representative Mike Cabell, this legislation aims to use Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. If passed, it could mean a multi-billion-dollar investment from the state's general fund and other reserves. The bill follows a growing trend among Republican lawmakers to explore Bitcoin as a financial tool, with inspiration from countries like El Salvador and Bhutan. In regulatory news, SEC Chair Gary Gensler is standing firm on strict crypto regulations despite potential political changes. With President-elect Donald Trump threatening to remove him, Gensler remains committed to enforcing compliance and transparency in the crypto industry. This ongoing tension highlights the uncertain future of crypto regulations in the US, as Trump's approach could significantly alter the current landscape. Coinbase Wallet is gearing up to launch a tap-to-pay crypto feature, aiming to rival payment giants like Cash App and PayPal. This new feature, set to roll out in 50 countries by the end of 2025, promises a faster and more global payment experience. Users will be able to receive payments in stablecoins, which can be easily converted to local currencies, enhancing economic outcomes for both users and merchants. Tether is stepping into the asset tokenization arena with its new platform, Hadron. This platform aims to simplify the tokenization of assets like stocks and bonds, making it accessible to a broader audience. Hadron integrates with multiple blockchains, ensuring high security and compliance, and is set to revolutionize the finance sector by making asset tokenization easier and more scalable. Joseph Lubin of Consensus is advocating for a decentralized future, emphasizing self-sovereignty in the Web3 and AI economy. Speaking at DevCon, Lubin highlighted the challenges posed by regulatory uncertainties, but remained optimistic about a bloodless revolution towards decentralization. Consensus is pushing for a global decentralization project, aiming to empower individuals and communities worldwide. The acceptance of Bitcoin by sovereign nations is gaining momentum, with countries like El Salvador and Abu Dhabi leading the charge. The idea of a strategic Bitcoin reserve is being floated in the US, with President-elect Trump and Senator Cynthia Lummis showing interest. This trend underscores the changing dynamics of Bitcoin adoption on a global scale. McDonald's is teaming up with Doodles for a festive collaboration featuring Doodles designs on 100 million coffee cups. This partnership, starting November 18th, offers exclusive content and merchandise, marking a new approach for McDonald's in engaging with digital and entertainment brands. Burner, a new low-cost hardware wallet, is making it easier to gift stablecoins. Designed for simplicity, Burner uses NFC technology and a mobile browser, eliminating the need for a dedicated app. This innovation highlights the growing market for stablecoins and the potential for cryptocurrency gifting. Off the Grid, a new Web3 battle royale game, is making waves with its invisible blockchain technology. With over 9 million wallets created in its first month, the game is proving that unobtrusive blockchain features can attract mainstream gamers. This success story points to a promising future for blockchain gaming. World Liberty Financial is enhancing its DeFi platform by adopting the Chainlink standard. This move aims to improve security and interoperability, supporting the launch of its Aave v3 instance. With Eric Trump as Web3 ambassador, WLFI is positioning itself as a key player in the DeFi landscape. The tokenization of real-world assets is gaining traction, with significant developments highlighted in the latest RWA newsletter. A House subcommittee hearing is set to explore how tokenization can facilitate efficient markets, underscoring the growing importance of RWAs in the financial sector. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay crypto savvy.